Alright, fellas, here we are. We're going to the work today, even though Typhoon is around. Well, Typhoon is around, but it's far away. It's so interesting. So the size of it's pretty big, but the center of it, which is I think considered to be the most dangerous place, is it's pretty not this side. It's on the other side, pretty far away. But then I have a question. So all the time of our experience about Typhoon, seriously, oh wait, I need to just set up the camera. It's kind of off. Oh. So, okay. So, it's a bit oh yeah, coming back. So the experience that we have about Typhoon, usually the inside part, it's not that dangerous. It's more the outside, which is the area that is blowing right now. Not completely, because the Typhoon itself is kind of far away, further away. So it's quite interesting to see that in that way. And probably it's fine, but the wind's blowing and people are worried about this one because this one is one of the strong ones that ever happened. And yeah, I'm should I be worried also? But yeah, the workplace was nope, it's fine, you gotta work. And here I am, driving on its way. Just hoping that everything will be fine. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling with this positioning my phone right now. So annoying. Oh yeah. So just getting used to it. Typhoon is part of it, but this year Typhoon is coming every week, every single week. It's coming next week. It's coming the next week, which is crazy. So this Typhoon is hitting the weekend. Another one will be hitting another weekend, and the another one will be also hitting another weekend, which is it's pretty annoying for some people and most people, because we want to go out, we want to have fun, we want to go just drive around, eat around, but no, the weather is nope, I'm not letting you. But and about today's work, do I have something to do? Not really. I don't have anything specifically what to do, what to say. So it's a bit I'll be probably just asked to do this, do that, can you do some translation, can you do this, some paperwork, oh yeah, I can. But it's just fun. We have no projects ongoing right now. pretty chill for now. But the next week, and the next week, we'll be starting a few projects at the same time. So when that starts moving, just forget about it. Like, no rest for the rest of the week. Oh yeah, as you guys can see, the wind is blowing pretty strong. Yeah, you can hear it. But still, it's fine. It's okay. Indeed, but really like destructive level. But honestly, like after a long season of sun, it's good to have like a break from it. Yeah, it's good to have like a break, seriously. Like just to have some restful day, not like too much to do. Yesterday I went to a friend's apartment, like my neighbor. We went just there to talk and just like have fun, like discover new things. And I'm noticing that my friend, I don't know if it's because he's getting old, but the conversation that he does is kind of repetitive right now. Been repetitive, and I'm concerned a little bit. I just feel like I need to talk to him about it. Because all the topics, in between all the topics that we talked, he already talked to me, and he's telling me the second time, and I'm like, wait, why are you saying to me this again? Why are you telling me this again? It's like the topic that we spoke already this. Yeah, so, and also like on the other side, it's like about, like money is coming. It's like, dude, I don't know if I like that topic anymore. I understand that he wants to make money because for you to live in this life, like, so he's basically like a music producer, and he works currently. He's working like myself. I do music. Also, my another friend doing music, and he was like saying like to me and to my friends that after a long day, he just can't find any motivation to do a work, It's like just super tired. Like, I don't have energy for doing any songs. And I'm like, yeah, I understand that. But they're like, so we need time. We just need time. They were talking, yeah, we need time, so that means we need money. But for my case, I think if I had time, I don't think so slow. I'm super slow at making songs. Seriously. But yeah. So he keeps like saying to us, "Oh, I'm doing this. I'll make more money, like 1 million per month." And I'm like, "Yeah, okay, nice, good for you." You know, and I don't complain. I'm not like, okay, I understand. It's good for you. Seriously. But in the end, it feels like he wants to use this. Well, yeah, just my opinion, whatever. Well, anyways, just coming back to the topic. He just keeps saying the same thing twice, like, and actually, like, I heard that story for the third time, and like, I don't think he has a topic to talk about. His topic never changes. It just, hold on, wait, I heard of this. Why are you telling me this again? Why are you telling me this again? I've heard of this. You know? So there's like a few things that I'm like just a little bit concerned. Just a little bit. About him, specifically. And the other dude is like, yeah, he's new and he's just like trying to find his way. He has like, yeah, I just need a producer. I just need like a music producer who doesn't charge me a lot of money. Honestly, like producing music these days, and like if it's a good song, it costs money. It costs a lot of money. So that has been like their struggle. That's that, and like I really understand that, but like for me it's like the season is different for now, like within myself. Like, yes, making music is important, but I think for my season right now, like my personal season, I need to focus into a few things for now, but also at the same time I need to just let it flow. I need to regulate myself back to, again, like to create, again, to talk and like come up with ideas, come up with like whatever I want to sing about, you know? And also I do have a strong preference about chord progressions in songs. So I do have a strong take about it. It needs to be unique. Like such a, like I don't want to be known as like the guy who makes the normal songs with normal chord. Yeah, you know. So, kind of like interesting place that we were at. Do you guys have any friends like that? Like, well, I don't know. I don't assume. Maybe it's age, maybe it's something like that. But like, he's like all the time in the PC. That he told me that he's been feeling dizzy, and I'm like, dude, that's super dangerous. Like, I think you should just go out, you know, like you just go out and talk to people. You just should associate you know, because like I understand you want to produce this, you want to produce that, but like, and he's like such a geek about it. He spent hours without eating and doing it, and almost like workaholic, you know, almost. And I don't know if that's good for his health. He needs a break. Well, I'm gonna tell him that. I'm gonna text him today. Not being dependent on like medicine. You know, it's important. So, yeah, walking with people is super important. I've heard, I think I told you in another video, but it's considered to be very important for us to have like a person who you can talk with. Because if you don't talk, you can, the dementia percentage of you being like mentally ill is pretty high. Oh, like also speaking of another topic, like about health, I've heard that the person who has the strongest, I would say like, holding strength, like as in the kg, as higher the number, the longer you live. And the reason why is because there's many, I saw in Google, okay, I'm not an expert, again, I'm not an expert on doctor and stuff, but like, the fact of you being able to just hold it super strongly, like, within a, with a, like, many strength, is that because you have, they have like a big vein in our hands that makes your heart pump it up like more than usual. So that's one of the things that I've learned like yesterday, hearing from a friend. Oh, it's kind of long, so I'm gonna stop that today. So I hope you guys have a good day and enjoy today. Alright, see ya.